In this video, I'll show you how to build a landing page with V0. First, open your web browser and go to the V0 by Versal website. Sign into your account, or create one if you don't already have an account. Next, click the prompt box on the main page and describe the landing page you want to create. Include details such as the business or product, the target audience, the color scheme, and the sections you want on the page, like a hero section, features, testimonials, pricing, FAQ, and a contact form. Now, click the Generate button and wait while V0 creates your landing page. After a few moments, you'll see a live preview along with the generated code. After that, review the design and continue refining it by entering additional prompts. You can ask V0 to change the layout, update the colors, improve the typography, add animations, make the page fully responsive, or include new sections until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, when your landing page is ready, click Copy or Export Code to use it in your project. You can paste the generated code into your Next.js application or continue editing the design directly in V0. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a landing page with V0. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.